Hey, my name is Sam. I am here to demonstrate bedpan, how to use the bedpan on a patient. So I will come introduce myself. Hi, my name is Sam. Can you tell me your last name and birthday?
Last name is Yusuf, birthday is June 8th.
Okay. You needed to use the bedpan today?
Yes.
Okay. Um, all right. So I'm gonna pull the curtain, wash my hands. So I will have you roll over. So I will tell my patient, I will lower the head of uh, the bed flat, and then roll the patient. Actually, ask the patient to bend their knee. Uh, bend their knee, and then ask them to lift their butt up or hips up, and then I will put chucks or a towel under there, and then I will ask them again to the same. Well, the legs are bent, they can raise their hip up, and then I can slide the bedpan. And I'm gonna make sure the bedpan is doing well. Okay, it's positioned correctly. At this point now, I'm gonna raise the head of the bed up and give the patient a call light to call me when he is done using bedpan. And that's bedpan demonstration here. Okay, actually the other one, if so, when you call back, I will go ahead and do the same thing and um, ask her to move up, move her hips up, and then draw the bedpan. Actually, support the bedpan while she's raising her hips up. I will support it and then slide it out, and then from there dispose things and then wash my hands, and that will be it. Thank you.